Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making Chili's Mozzarella Sticks, the original Nashville hot and honey chipotle. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need mozzarella cheese, eggs, butter, chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, honey, chicken broth, Italian breadcrumbs, flour, brown sugar, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, celery salt, chipotle chili peppers, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, and parsley. Begin by cutting the cheese into quarter-inch slices. In a bowl, add 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs and season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and parsley. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of flour and season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add 3 eggs to a bowl and whisk. Place the mozzarella cheese into the egg wash, then into the flour, back into the egg wash, and finally into the breadcrumbs. Place in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. For the Nashville hot seasoning, combine a half cup of brown sugar, 5 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Adjust the amount of cayenne pepper to your spice preference. 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 1.5 tablespoons of chipotle chili pepper. Place to the side for later. For the honey chipotle sauce, blend together 1 can of chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, 1 cup of chicken broth, and 1.5 cups of honey. In a saucepan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Add honey chipotle sauce and allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Fry mozzarella sticks for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Look at that cheese pull. For the Nashville hot sauce, add about a half cup of the seasoning we made earlier to a bowl and combine it with 1 cup of the hot oil that was used to fry the mozzarella sticks. Coat the mozzarella sticks in the sauces. And there you have it, Chili's mozzarella sticks. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.